What is the difference between matcha and coffee? There are a few things you need to know about coffee and matcha. In this video, we'll explore the difference between coffee and matcha, and what each has to offer. We'll start by explaining how matcha is made, and then we'll discuss the taste and health benefits of matcha. By the end of this post, you should have a better understanding of the differences between coffee and matcha, and which is right for you. How matcha is made. If you're looking for a healthier coffee alternative, you may want to consider trying matcha. Matcha is made from stone-ground green tea leaves, and as a result, it contains more caffeine than coffee. It also has a higher oxygen radical absorbance capacity, ORAC value, which means that it's rich in antioxidants. In addition to being healthy, matcha is also delicious. It has a rich and smooth flavor that rivals coffee in many ways. Matcha is perfect for those who are looking for an energy boost without the jitters or the caffeine crash. It's also a good choice if you're looking to increase your intake of vitamins and minerals. Finally, matcha doesn't contain any sugar or calories, so it can be enjoyed guilt-free by those watching their weight. If you're curious about how matcha is made, read on for our full explanation. The taste of matcha versus coffee. If you're wondering what the difference is between matcha and coffee, don't worry, we are here to help. As mentioned earlier, matcha is a powder made from green tea leaves. Coffee, on the other hand, is a brewed beverage made from roasted coffee beans. While they both contain caffeine, the taste of matcha and coffee is quite different. Matcha has a higher concentration of antioxidants than coffee and often tastes umami, savory. This makes it perfect for sweet dishes like matcha lattes and tea bowls, as well as desserts like matcha brownies or matcha raspberry tartlets. Meanwhile, coffee is used in savory dishes like bacon wrapped dates or roasted cauliflower with garlic sauce. So there you have it, the differences between matchas and coffees. Now you know what to look for when choosing which drink to enjoy next. Thanks for watching, subscribe to watch more.